Hi friends, Tina did it here and welcome back to my channel. I came across two awesome crafting deals, so I had to share them with you over here, but I do have a separate YouTube channel for Amazon deals and I do post daily, so definitely check that out. It's called Tina's Daily Deals. I'll put the link down in the description box for you, so it's an easy click. And if you like what you see, be sure to subscribe and join the family. We'd love to have you. Now let's go ahead and get started, but remember all the links, codes, and instructions will be down in the description box for you, so it's an easy click. Here we have this acrylic pouring paint. These are 2-ounce bottles and you get 42 of them, and this one is perfect because you get tons of colors and they're silky and smooth. You get the basic pastel, neon, and metallic colors, so this is definitely a run deal. It's insane. This is listed for $35.99. Clip the coupon, put in a code, $12.99. See, it's as simple as that. You just clip coupons or put in codes. Here we have this wooden birdhouse or gazebo, and this is by Plaid Enterprises, and this one is price dropped down to $477 instead of that $18.85 price tag. Now here are the measurements, and it's a pretty good size. Now don't forget to check out my other YouTube channel. Till next time, love you all. Bye.